Hello there, welcome to Knowledge for Skills. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Bolu. I'm a personal development strategist. I help people to develop their mindset in terms of increasing their belief and unlocking their potential. I am also a trader and an educator. I trade in the Forex market and also educate people to do the same. Today, I am here to help you understand how to trade in the cryptocurrency market. I know you have been hearing about it, and especially this year, the crypto market has had such a really nice increasing boom. Now, if you're just starting, if you're a beginner, or you want to learn more about it, this video is for you. So make sure you watch till the end and share, like, and subscribe to this channel because we're going to be bringing you more things. Now, let's get into the video. In this video, we are going to be talking about the things you need to know before you start trading in the crypto market or start trading at all, because I do trade in the Forex, crypto, and the stock market, and also the mindset development you need to have, the definition of money, and amongst other things. So now, what are the things you need to know? The basic thing you need to know that the cryptocurrency market, just like any other financial market, is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I know you really want to make money this year, but you have to be patient. You are not going to make money overnight. You are not going to make millions overnight. Although there are lots of opportunities in the crypto market, lots and lots of opportunities, but if you are not patient, you are not going to access those opportunities like you should. So you should learn the art of compounding. You should learn the art of being patient. You should be patient. So that's one thing you should learn. And also you should know that you should be able to diversify your income. And that is speaking about not quitting your job. Don't quit your job to trade crypto. So now you want to be able to afford to pay your bills. You want to be able to afford to buy things for yourself. So you don't want to start trading crypto today and quit your job next week. No, it has to be able to fend for you and cover up for those expenses. So if you need to get a second or a third also, make sure you get it, because you need patience and time to learn and master the crypto market very well. So I would advise that you make sure you have another type of business or anything that is giving you an income just to sustain you while you learn and you trade in the crypto market, because it's not an overnight thing. And another thing you need to know is to develop your mindset, right? One of the things that I do for my clients as a personal development strategist is to help them to see and believe that there is more. I help them with strategies on how to move them from where they are now to where they want to be. So you need to be positive. You need to develop a strong mindset. You need to develop a positive mind in order to strive and succeed in this crypto market, because trading is not for the weak. So you need to develop that. And again, you need to have discipline. Yes, discipline is one thing you need to have in this market. So let us move to the definition of money. What is money? We all spend it every day. We all use it every day. What is money? Money is simply an agreement between two parties. Now you exchange something for another, and whatever you agree that it is for the exchange is what money is. We all use dollar bills, we all use naira, we all use the fiat, that is the paper money, which is a dollar, naira, pound. We all use that every day, and we all agree that once someone gives you $100 bill, you know the worth of it. So because it has been designated in the banks and everywhere, and the government, they told us that this is the value of $100. Do you know that the same amount of time, energy, money that is used to create the $20 bill is the same amount of time, energy, and money used to create the $100 bill? It is just a matter of knowing that this, or saying or declaring that this has more value. So money is really just an agreement of an exchange. It is what both parties say it is. And money, how do you identify money? Number one, it has to have a very good store value. You have to be able to store it, and it has to have like potential of increasing over time. And again, it has to be an agreement. Like we said, both parties has to agree, like, okay, I'm accepting this as payment, or you are giving me this as payment. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency simply means digital money. Crypto really comes from the word encrypt, and that encrypt means secret. So it being secret means it is decentralized. It is not controlled by any bank. It is not controlled by any financial system, that is the banks or the government or anyone. So cryptocurrency is just digital money. You can transfer it far and wide, as long as the sender and the receiver both have a wallet address. Now, what is a wallet address? A wallet address is simply just like your bank account number. It's something you send to someone to send you a coin. So we trade coins in the cryptocurrency market. We trade coins, and those coins can be sent back and forth. When I realized the magic of the cryptocurrency market, I call it magic because while I wanted to get my dollar card and everything, I tried for days or weeks. I needed to send money to someone in a far away country, and it was just tiring and exhausting wanting to send dollars, just a few dollars to someone, and I had to go back and forth. And I remember Western Union told me to come back the next week, and I just said, okay, does this person have BTC? So I sent BTC to the person, and in 5 minutes, I'm not joking, 5 minutes, it got to the person in that country. And that is when I realized, like, this is magic. Like, that excited me about it. So apart from even investing or making money in the cryptocurrency market, it is money. It is currency. You can send it. It flows anywhere as long as the person has the wallet address. So how the wallet address works is, I want to send you BTC. You have to send me your BTC wallet address. I want to send you Ethereum. You have to send me your Ethereum wallet address. So whatever coin you want to send, the person has to send that particular coin wallet address. So a wallet is where you store all your digital currencies, alright, all your cryptocurrencies. So each coin has its own wallet address designated to it, and they are all built on a series of networks, and those networks are built on a blockchain. We would explain blockchain in the next video, so make sure you like, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification in down below and to see those videos when they come up. But now let's go on to the advantages of trading in the crypto market. So like I said the other time, it is very seamless. It is easy to send the money to anyone, anywhere. Very easy. In fact, it's amazingly easy in 5 minutes, and it is not no third party bank is going to stop you or say, oh, why are you having this amount of money? When Millions first hit my account, at some point they were like called, you know when your bank manager will call you, oh, why is this? There is that freedom is in the crypto market. Nobody's going to call you to ask you anything. You can send money freely because the cryptocurrency is money that you cannot touch, see, feel, or even smell. It is digital money. It is borderless. It is very seamless to transfer to anyone, anywhere in the world. And like I said, as long as they have a wallet, you can transfer it to the person. So it is borderless. It is amazing. Very secured. The other one is it is very secure. You can't have a counterfeit Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are built on very secure cryptographic protocols, and they are built on blockchains, and they have very technical high-tech things that they are built on. We are going to have a video on that into the technical aspect of Bitcoin. But they are very secured, unlike having the paper money where you can have fake naira notes, which is very popular. So you can have fake naira notes, but you can't have a fake. So another advantage is that it has a very great store value because of its increase in demand, and it is not regulated by any bank. The volatility is high, so it actually moves in value from time to time. In 2013, if you had bought Bitcoin, it was about $31. In that same year, in November, it moved from $31 to $266. And in 2017, just a little over 4 years, just 4 years after, it became $19,000. I can't even calculate how many percentages that is. No paper money can do that. So it has a great store value. So you want to store your money, you can do it in the cryptocurrency market. This is not a financial advice. So those are the advantages of the cryptocurrency market, amongst so many other things. So how can you invest and participate in the crypto market? Now, how you can invest is we have different types of investment. We have different types of investment. We have the long-term investment and we have the short-term investment. Now, the short-term investment is what it is. You can decide to put in money, and then you can decide to trade it part time and get like 20%, 5 to 20% in a short period of time, months or a few years, and then take profit. Or you can wait and keep your money long term, invest in it long term. In 3-5 years time, you come back to it, and then you know that the value would have increased, and that is very, very good, because we said it has great store value. So it is very great for long-term investment, because the future is technology, and we would need digital currencies to flow and keep transactions running. So cryptocurrency is actually the future. So you can invest in it long term. This is not a financial advice. You can also invest in it short term and trade, and that is what most traders do. My take on it is that you can diversify and have like 3 segments your money or your investment into 3, and then you can have one for short term, you can have one for long term, and you can have one just when a new thing comes up, like all the shit coins we have going on now. Shit coins will also be explained in another video. Still make sure you have your priorities right, and make sure you invest in money that you can afford to lose, because you can indeed lose it all if you are not careful. But there is a way to go about it. That is another advantage of the cryptocurrency market. It has a way to help you secure your funds. So another great advantage of it is that it runs 24/7. Now, I trade the Forex and the stock markets. The stock markets open 9 a.m. New York time and closes 5 p.m. New York time. And the Forex market is open 24 hours, 5 days a week. But the cryptocurrency market is open 24 hours, 7 days a week. So it's round the clock. Traders are making money round the clock. You can check on it on weekends. It works on weekends. Okay, so how do you participate in the cryptocurrency market? Now, first of all, you have to choose a broker. A broker is an intermediate between you and the market. So this is like the marketplace where you buy and you sell. So make sure you click the links in the description. We have KuCoin, Binance, Coinex, we have Rubio, we have Get.io. We have different types of exchanges where you can register, and make sure you do your registration, do your KYC. KYC means know your customer, so they want to know you. On Binance, you can use P2P. Now, P2P basically means person to person. You can use P2P on Binance, that is possibly the safest option. And also KuCoin also is coming up with their P2P, so that should be available soon. P2P is very important for us Nigerians because the government banned the use of Naira for cryptocurrency, to purchase any cryptocurrency. So they didn't ban crypto, let me just say that. What they banned was using Naira to trade crypto. So you can't directly use Naira to buy coins or use Naira on any of these exchanges. You have to use person to person. So peer-to-peer or person to person, it just means that you have the coin that I need if I want to buy a coin, and by the way, the coin to buy is called USDT. So if you are doing P2P, you are buying USDT. That's the coin like you would write. So you want to buy USDT, the other person has the USDT you need, you have the money. So what would happen is you would send the person money, your Naira to Naira, through whatever bank, GTB, Kuda, whatever bank you're using, and then you send it to the person, and the person on Binance or whatever platform would send you the coin. So why we use USDT is because it's called a stable coin. What is a stable coin? Basically a coin that is stable. I mentioned earlier that Bitcoin increases in value over time and it is very volatile. Volatility means it goes up and down easily and it is fast, when it does that. But coins like USDT, USDC and things like that, they don't move that fast. They just have like a stable price. You can't trade them like that. It doesn't have it's just like the dollar to the Naira. So you're buying USDT is the USD Theta. That is what you use. Now when you are transferring with your P2P, P2P video will also be out, so make sure you check it. Turn on the post notification for knowledge for skills to get access to all these videos. And when you are doing your P2P, make sure you don't use anything crypto in your description. You have to say this. If not, the Nigerian government will ban your account because they just banned the use of Naira for cryptocurrency. So it doesn't make sense of you saying, hashtag USDT or something, send me USDT. You can just leave it or put shoes or bags or whatever it is, but don't use crypto description in your bank account. Alright, so another thing that you will do is to download the apps. So you need to download CoinMarketCap, you need to download CoinGecko, you need to download CoinDesk, CoinPair, investing.com. So what all these do is they help you to check the coins that you want to buy. You'll be able to keep track and do your own research. That is where you do your research. You check for how high the coin is. So basically the whole concept of it is that you want to be able to buy a coin when it is low and buy and sell when it is high. So when it comes to Bitcoin is like the king of all cryptocurrencies because it started like that. But there are over 4,000 other coins that you can buy, and most of them are very low in value now. So when you get in early, you have a tendency to increase your investment over time, right? So make sure you pick the best altcoins to buy. They are called altcoins, alternative alt. So they are called altcoins. Any coin apart from Bitcoin is or the major coin is an altcoin. So you pick from them and then you buy it. So in the next videos, we are going to be going into how to use P2P, how to use Trust Wallet, and how to knowing blockchain and different other amazing things. Make sure you follow Knowledge for Skills on Instagram and on Twitter. Follow me at ThatTraderChick. My name is Bolu, and I will see you in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you tell us in the comment section the videos you want us to put out. Thank you for watching. Bye.